Hi, I'm Neal. I'm the Benton County Extension Agent. I've been working with this Soil Health Workshop series. I did a demonstration for this one where I went around and collected all the compost products that are available commercially and at places like Lowe's and Home Depot for gardeners and farmers. Some of them do provide information on the bag that says how much nutrients and whatnot are supposedly in the product, but I did collect a lot of different things from food waste compost, mushroom compost, vermicompost. I brought those to our lab here in Fayetteville on the University of Arkansas campus and had all of them tested for things like salt, nutrient value, also moisture, so you can kind of know what you're being left with, because some of those products can be quite wet whenever you pick them up, depending on where they come from. And so all of those are in your resources. I took all the values of those products, and then what I could, when I could find a price for something. Some of these, like vermicompost, is just not available at scale at this time in Northwest Arkansas. But some of the other things, like food compost and like chicken compost, things like that, that can't be available at scale. You can get it delivered by the yard or by the 10-yard truckload to your farm. So I took a price delivered and then compared the price to say what you're getting for commercial fertilizer like 17, or if you're just buying certain nutrients like urea. And so in most cases, again, all these resources are available to you in your hands-ups, but in most cases, compost compared quite favorably to commercial fertilizer as far as what you're paying for and what you're getting for nutrients. The added benefit of using products like compost would be you're getting a lot of micronutrients that we did test for, secondary nutrients as well, like sulfur. And then you're also getting a lot of organic matter, and of course it's alive for the most part. So there's microorganisms there that'll benefit your plants and your soil. And so if you can apply the compost, I understand that it's bulky, it takes probably than commercial fertilizer does, or you can put that out on your field and get a lot of benefit similarly to commercial fertilizer, but added organic matter, which we know holds moisture better. It's teeming with life, so it can feed the microbial community in your soils and just generally bring soils that might be in poor condition and for the most part improve them. And so again, all these are available to you. We've got things like Food Loops compost, Fayetteville Municipal Compost, Bentonville Municipal Compost, and just anything that I could find that I felt like was available to growers in Northwest Arkansas. All of them are available to look at, but also you can see the nutrient values for them as well.
Perfect. Thanks, Ryan. Colin, do you have anything you'd like to add?
Sure. I'm Colin Massey. I'm the Extension Agent for Horticulture in Washington County. And along with Ryan, we're out here today at the Milo Schultz Research Station conducting our second soil health training. And in some of the resources that we've been providing to you, we wanted to mention something we talked about in our first training was, again, compost is an amendment. It's not soil. So this is not going to be the same kind of analysis that you would get with a mineral soil that's still free in Arkansas. We've provided kind of a decision sheet on soils that are heavily amended, or if it's directly it's going to be to a farm soil. We really have to treat those as a manure to be able to get an accurate mineral analysis or organic matter content, of course, moisture, a lot of those parameters that Ryan mentioned. So it's been a really good project. We're excited to see how it goes.
Yeah. Thanks.